Good morning, afternoon, and night depending where you're watching right now. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. We bring you bold, the Lord the Avenger of his people, Psalm 35 verse 1-8, and verse 19-28. A psalm of indigenous people of Biafra. Plead our cause, O Chukwu Okike Abiama, with those who strive with IPOB. Fight against those who fight against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's family. Take hold of shield and buckler. And stand up for Onyendu's help. Also draw out the spear. And stop those who pursue Nnamdi Kanu. Say to his soul, I am your salvation. Let those be put to shame and brought to dishonor, who seek after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's life. Let those be turned back and brought to confusion, who plot his hurt. Let them be like chaff before the wind, and let the angel of the Lord chase them. Let their way be dark and slippery, and let the angel of the Lord pursue them. For without cause they have hidden their net for him in a pit, which they have dug without cause for his life. Let destruction come upon him unexpectedly, and let his net that he has hidden catch himself. Into that very destruction let him fall. Let the evil beast not rejoice over Nnamdi Kanu's family who are wrongfully their enemies. Nor let convicted terrorist wink with the eye who hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's family without a cause. For they do not speak peace. But the kidnapper devised deceitful matters against the quiet ones in the Igbo land. He also opened his mouth wide against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's family, and said, Aha, aha! Our eyes have seen it. This you have seen, O Chukwu Okike Abiama. Do not keep silence. O Lord, do not be far from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Stir up yourself, and awake to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's vindication. To his cause, our God and our Lord. Vindicate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, O Lord our God, according to your righteousness. And let Zoo double agent not rejoice over IPOB. Let terrorists not say in his hearts, Ah, so we would have it. Let him not say, We have swallowed him up. Let the kidnapper be ashamed and brought to mutual confusion, who rejoice at IPOB hurt. Let him be clothed with shame and dishonor, who exalt himself against us. Let IPOB shout for joy and be glad, who favor our righteous cause. And let them say continually, Let the Chukwu Okike Abiama be magnified, who has pleasure in the prosperity of his indigenous people of Biafra. And our tongue shall speak of your righteousness, and of your praise all the day long. Say. That's it for today's gospel from Biafra Battle Cry TV, where truth is our weapon and freedom is our mission. We remain unwavering in our loyalty to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the liberation of our people. The struggle continues, and so does our voice. Share this message, subscribe, and spread the fire, because every voice counts in the fight for justice. Until next time, stay bold, stay vigilant, and stay Biafran. Biafra lives. Biafra rises. Biafra is our destiny. Say.
The only person to preach Biafra to you and you will listen are those who are under our central command, IPOB, of course, with Radio Biafra. Anything else up on Dioshika Habu. I must warn you. These are vultures and they are vagabonds that are very poor and wretched. They think Biafra is the means through which and by which they can survive. These are wretched people and failures in their field of endeavor. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say we never warned you.